guess what? It's Lydia's Hurricane 2023. It's like noon. I can't remember what time it is. Anyway, we're going for a walk to just take a peek at what the hell's going on out there. You can feel the weather's like quiet and the wind is starting to pick up. We're not the only ones out here. We're about to cross over the river. I want to see how the river looks. Let's go see what Vallarta looks like right now. Bye.
Water, putting out some leaves, things will get clogged, so at least there'll be some, the water will hopefully flow out easily.
Yeah. Are you taking down the little archway things? No.
Well, in Frida's garden they're being repaired.
Yeah. Noah! No, you're not Noah. Sorry.
But these ones will remain here. We can't take them down. So hopefully.
Audra!
Audra.
I'm with Guy here, and he's one of the master gardeners that has transformed the garden down at the island. And he's come down right now to try to clean things up before the storm hits. And that's the news. Now I have a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna do a little mini report on.
Yes, a lot of curious people. They want to know what's going on.
Yeah.
You know, I'm doing the same. That's why I brought down my phone so I could take pictures.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Adios, amigo. It's true that the animals seem to know when a hurricane is coming, because this place is usually full of parrots and they're squawking and squawking and squawking, and there's like, it's quiet, very quiet. Let's go see what's going on out there. Buenos dias. People already getting tanked. Nothing will stop the Elkies. As you can see, we're not the only ones out and about. We're heading towards the ocean on the Rio Quale at the Mercado. And we'll see what is happening. Everything seems kind of normal so far. Sandbags. So we're down on the Malecon and they're starting to get all the sandbags out, you can see. I'd rather die than drink tequila right now. Anyways, yeah, the sandbags are coming out, the businesses are starting to get, they have tarps up, and I wanted to see if yeah, a lot of the businesses are actually just closed. But I know last year they boarded up some of the businesses with plywood and stuff. I want to see what it looks like. Surfers.
They asked you for 300. Yeah. So.
Hola.
The flower.
Oh, I like the grasshopper.
No, this is not like a cricket.
Is it a cricket?
Yeah.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Go ahead, don't worry.
Yeah. I bought a grasshopper, everybody. It's a birthday present. Es para ti. Do you like? No tables. So we're heading down to like Boro Bar and the beach spots and stuff. Everything's groovy for now. I don't think the storm is supposed to hit until later, but many businesses are closing out right now. Hola, amigo.
Hola.
Gotta go. Hola. No, gracias. I love this dog. Hey, Barry. Is that your name? Board it up. ¿Cómo estás, amigo? Todo bien. ¿Qué pasa, amigo? ¿Dónde?
I think it's going to be a bad one. I go with
Quiet. Hola. Hola. All the jalapas.
¿Dónde las vamos a poner?
Okay. When?
Excelente.
Sandbags. And yet, La Carreta is still open. So it's official. Most of Los Huertos Beach is shut down, as you can see behind you. It's usually completely packed full of lounger chairs and gay men, and yeah. So the whole beach is shut down. We're going over to Conchas Chinas just because that's where we walk. My dog just went into a pool full of sewage, so I gotta go. It's usually gay men dancing in that pool. This is happening. Wow, they're getting serious. Hola, amigos. We just went swimming because why not? But yeah, you can see the storm of brewing, and we're gonna go home now. Go get some wine and eat steaks. Okay, bye. Vámonos. Rápido. I'm just walking back. We're going to the wine store and stock up on a bit of food. It just started raining, so, and the sky is very wet and dark looking, so, and they're building sandbags all over the place. I don't know, some people are showing up to the beach and some people are leaving. I don't know. What do you know? Look.
So I gotta buy the ticket now. I said, oh my God.
Look who I ran into. Pico, the world famous Puerto Vallarta painter. He came out to check out the hurricane too.
Keeping an eye on your girlfriend, Pepe.
Where the hell are you going?
I'm going to La Carreta.
La Carreta to get a margarita.
Sí.
Hurricane watch,
Sí,
2023.
We want to go to Swell Beach Bar, but it's closed.
Swell's closed.
Okay,
Gotta go to La
let's do
Carreta. Adios. Adios. Mucho gusto. Shutting her down. How you doing, man?
Doing great.
Can you handle it or what?
Yeah, we got it all cleared out. Hola.
Hola. Yee. We're heading down. Basilio Badillo, Margaritaville's completely closed, so no margaritas for us, and Dolce Vita is even closed. So it's a ghost town, folks. ¿Cómo estás? Woo! We're at the wine store, folks. It's gonna be okay. It's open. They have the windows taped. How you doing? And everyone's scrabbling for more booze. It's not just me, I swear to God. It's starting to get serious, folks. Guess what? The liquor store's closing at 2. Everyone else has been ordered to close their businesses at 2 o'clock. So we got wine just in time. I know that's not the most important thing, but yeah, it's finally started to rain. You can feel things are picking up. People are rushing to the stores to get supplies. And so far we have wine in 2 pairs. Gotta go. We're at the Carne shop. There's a billion people in line, if you can see, to buy meat. So everyone's freaking out. So we wanted to get some carne asada to throw on the barbecue. And we got 4 dogs. Because someone's got to do it, right? Anyone in there? Wait! Coletta! Ben! Shit. Meat. Dogs. Meat. What are we gonna do? We just ran into this chef here. This chef. He's a French chef, and he makes these amazing nut pies. And his son lives in Yelapa, and he said that the army just evacuated all of Yelapa. Todo personas de Yelapa? Todo? Crazy! We gotta go. But we've got pies, we got steak, we got wine. Todo bien. Adios. We're crossing over the bridge, over the river. The rain's picking up. We're going home to eat.